Come and do a French nail with me. So you're going to start by creating that nail bed. Make sure that's really tucked in nice and neatly at the cuticle, and then you're going to, using the tip of your brush, ease that down and really elongate that nail bed. I'm making this relatively long because it is a longer nail, but obviously you can do it exactly how you prefer. So at this point I'm making sure it's nice and smooth, and I'm going to put another bead on top just so I've got my apex in there. Once I've done that, I'm going to wait for it to dry, and then I'm going to go in with my hand file. Then I'll cleanse all of that, and then I'll go in with my colour. Now I'm using a glitter here, and I didn't want to just put the glitter in because sometimes you can lose the crispness of the actual smile line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a colour literally just around the smile line, and I'm going to blend it down the nail towards the tip of the nail. Then I'll go in with my glitter, and you'll see here how it really creates that depth on the nail. And if you are enjoying this, please do make sure you drop us a like and a follow, as we're dropping new content all the time. So we're also going to encapsulate that. So you'll place that bead up at the top, and then using the belly of the brush, you're going to pat and press that down the nail towards the tip. Now I'm using more than one bead here. If you need to do that for a nail this length, that is absolutely fine. There is no set rules on how many beads. As long as it's nice and smooth and blended, it's not a problem. Then using a comb bit, I go around the cuticle. Then I'll use my e-file and my hand file to get it into shape, top coat, and you're done. I hope that helped.